There we go. Hey guys, welcome to Mayhem Country Living. Today we are playing with a new vacuum sealer that we got a couple of days ago. It is a Krato brand. It is a Chinese vacuum sealer. So far it seems to be working pretty well though. $29, and it is also one of the models that you can use to vacuum seal canisters and containers, provided you have the special lids that you can purchase as well. This was again, like I said, around $30. It came with 5 vinyl bags, and then I went ahead and bought a $20 large roll and then a medium roll, and I'm just going through everything. The nice thing about this one is it will do 3 things for you. It will do a full vacuum to its maximum capacity, which is a -60 kilopascals, which a pascal is a measurement of vacuum or atmospheric pressure. Ambient at sea level is, I want to say, around 100,000. Don't build a rocket based off of my math, though. Look it up yourself. But what we were doing, again, the nice thing is it will heat seal, and it will do a full vacuum, hard as a brick, vacuum sealed like a coffee square. And you can also do a partial vacuum, so it draws it down. If you had like herbs or something like that that you didn't really want to crush completely, you could do a partial vacuum and it would still be pretty coming out if you were going to do like garnishes or something like that, as opposed to just sucking them down completely and drawing out a vacuum. So I've been playing with it. I've been doing all the matches that we have. I've been sticking silica gel packs and or salt packs because they help with moisture. They'll draw some moisture, not as good as a silica gel pack, but I'm about out of them. And you can see what we've been doing today. This is different than the Mylar bags because most models will not draw a vacuum on a Mylar bag. The Mylar is too thick. Turns out the reason that these things have the little ridges is so the air can get sucked out and then collapse. While these are smooth and do not have those little ridges, you can't get a good vacuum on it. It will draw some out, but it's not enough to say anything. So definitely put oxygen absorbers in those. So I'd had somebody who was asking about it, Karen Linder Simmons, and I told her I was going to do a video and mention her in it. And thank you for watching the videos, Karen. I appreciate that, and thank you for subscribing as well. But this is what we're doing today, and I am going to do some more stuff. We're doing breakfasts and beans again, and we're going to start bagging up this stuff. This thing takes about 20 seconds to cycle. I'm going to spin you around here. It takes about 20 seconds to cycle. It'll do the vacuum seal, and it will draw down, and we'll do one, and then you release the pressure, and then it's taken care of. We'll do one real quick. Okay guys, we're getting ready to do this, but I have some company in here. Who's this?
Someone that hasn't brushed her hair today.
Has not brushed her hair today. What you doing?
Fixing my mom's pills.
Fixing your mom's pills. We have her living next door to us, and we kind of keep an eye on her. She is developing dementia, so we keep an eye on her, and medications and meals and bills and whatnot. So that's what the hooch is doing right there. Now we're going to get ready to seal this up. There's the sealing track, the gasket, there's the heat strip. Now the directions say to do it like this. Set it inside. You need to wait 20 seconds in between each heating cycle. Lock down one side, and on this model the control buttons are on this side. full vacuum. It's sealing it right now. When the light goes off, there we go. We have done our full vacuum. Release the pressure. There you go, guys. Okay guys, now we're back, and that wraps it up. You can see I have a lot to do, and then these are all the beans that I have set aside, had packed up, and just different varieties. I've got a 5-gallon bucket just with pinto beans. Oh my god, that would be horrible just to eat that. But have some variety, because good grief, it would suck just to eat 20 pounds of pinto beans, or 50 pounds actually, I'm sorry, 50 pounds. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Just a second, you're going to see my ugly mug pop up on that side with my beautiful wife, and if you would, click the subscribe button. It goes a long way with us. And then there's going to be some videos that pop up on the opposite side. Take a look if they are your brand of wacky. And guys, take care of your people.